How to delete poll in Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of Messenger application. As you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Messenger application on our device. So now just tap on open and it will land us to the home page of Messenger application. Now tap on your group over here and you can see the poll over here. Now, in order to delete this poll, you can just tap on the poll and here you can see these are the options and there's no direct options to delete the poll in the messenger as of now. So let's tap on the eye icon at the top right corner of the screen over here to check if we have any options. Now as you scroll down, we can see no options rather than block a member or report or leave chat. So in order to delete a poll in Messenger, you can just leave the chat and not be a part of this group, but we cannot delete a poll in Messenger. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.